All right, so this is Woodz Drowning live clip. I've chosen to go with the live clip as I didn't see anything else. I know that there is one that says it's like from a 2023 world tour, but other than that, this was all I found for this, but there are no subtitles. There's no captions. So let's get to it. Why does that sound like a Nirvana song? Am I going crazy? Does that not sound like a Nirvana song? I don't know what it is, but I always, whenever I picture Woodz, I don't picture him. I don't know why, but I just don't picture him. I always picture like someone older or something. I don't know. I don't know if it's like just something in my head. Maybe, I don't know. I never picture him. So anytime I see him, I'm like, oh, yeah, this guy. Like, it's always a shock to me. Also, I love the live vibes. It's already very grunge. Even like the rips in his jeans. It's very 90s, early 2000s grunge. Is that a female bassist? Nice. That's a Nirvana song. That's a Nirvana song. Nice. Wow. Hear that texture? Oh my goodness. Yes, let's go. Nice. Oh my god. Ooh, the harmony. Harmonizing over himself. Fantastic. Yeah! That's so cool. I love that. That's sick. Oh, I love the way it's like shot. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay, you know what this is? This is a song. Okay, listen to me. Picture this. You're driving somewhere. I don't know where you're going, but it's going to take you a while to get there. Okay? You know every single word to this song. It's raining. It's like a heavy downpour that's not dangerous, but it is raining. And this comes on your playlist. This is the song that you scream at the top of your lungs while you're driving down the highway and you just don't give a fuck anymore. This is the song that you would just give everything in your chest, your full chest, to this song. This song slaps. Like, this song is so good. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna like it. Done. I'm not even subscribed. I'm subscribing. This is fantastic. Wow. How is that possible? 579,000 subscribers? How is that possible? No, that needs to be changed. That needs to be like 1 million at least. The fuck? He's so good. I want to hear whatever the rest of this album is. If this album is inspired by Nirvana, 90s grunge, early 2000s grunge, or new metal, I'm here for it. I want to see all of that. That was fucking amazing. The way it was shot was actually so cool as well. The way that it kind of like intersperses with like this filtered vision. So you kind of see it here. A little bit here. This here, like it's got lovely smoke, depth. This filter is so early 2000s, late 90s pop punk grunge vibe, and I'm freaking here for it. I also love the way that they're all dressed. I love that the bassist and the guitarist are also in a cream top with like jeans on, or baggy jeans. He's dressed so well. I love that the knit top is almost like a spider web. Very cool. But like, realistically, the only thing about this video that anybody should care about is his voice. Holy crap, it's so good. Also, of course, the music is fantastic. I do think very heavily inspired by Nirvana for sure, an early 90s grunge or late 90s grunge. This was excellent. I want to see the whole I want to hear the whole album, and I want to learn all of these lyrics. I would like an English version, please, just for the pure fact that I would butcher Korean, but I'll still learn it. He's self-produced? What? What? It's self-produced? Wow, that's fucking unreal. That's unreal. I hope that he gets more popular. Wow. And there's another one there. Amnesia. Ooh, it's tempting, but we'll continue. This was a really great recommendation for one of the best songs in 2023. Had I heard this in 2023, I would also think that it is one of the greatest songs that came out of 2023. This is excellent. I've only heard it now in 2024, and I still think that's fucking unreal.